We're here local in Albury-Wodonga, here at the Life Skills House that we're doing for the kids of Belvoir Special School.
Belvoir Special School caters for students with a mild, moderate and profound intellectual disability, and also has students with physical disabilities, autism. We have often taught life skills within the classrooms, and previously at the old school just within a little room that we had that was set up. And we found that whilst that was effective, it was difficult for the students to be able to then translate those skills into a regular home.
We originally got a phone call from the people that are overseeing the project and asking us if we wanted to be involved. And for us it was an easy decision to say yes. Everybody jumped on board. There was not one person that said no and wasn't willing to donate their weekends and come out here in 40-degree heat and lay sub-drains at Christmas time.
I've been plumbing for about 7 years now. I thought it'd just be nice to give something back for once, you know.
We've had support right throughout the community. The tradesmen giving up their time, giving up weekend after weekend, and trade suppliers donating materials.
There is no way we could have done this without their support, and that's been vital and shows just the degree of positive input that people are wanting to make.
I think personally it's just a satisfaction thing, knowing that these kids are going to be able to be independent.
It will hopefully give the kids a chance at living independently or semi-independently after they've finished their schooling and in later years.
To get that grant meant that we were able to get the boys to donate their time, get some money for some materials through the Reece grant and put this thing together.